In this section, we will show how to implement or use abstract classes in Python. Although it isn't a mandatory thing and you can still code everything without it due to duck typing things, but still it's good to use abstract classes. To mark a class as an abstract class, you have to inherit from the ABC. When you do that, you are marking this class as an abstract class. And to mark a method as an abstract method, you have to decorate it with @abstract method. When the interpreter sees that some class is an abstract class and it has abstract methods, if someone tried to create an object from it, then it's going to give an error cannot instantiate abstract class. The word instantiate means create, so we cannot create an object from an abstract class. So this is how we mainly mark something an abstract class and abstract method. Again, due to the flexibility of Python, this isn't a must, but it's like communicating information to the people about what to expect from this class. Now, what if we have a child class from the abstract class, but this child class didn't implement the missing abstract method? Then this child class here again is an abstract class. The class is ready to be used when all of its methods are actually implemented. So this get area method here is marked as an abstract. There must be a class who is going to provide it. If you would like to depend on the abstract class method, because we can provide here an implementation, then you have to overwrite it, then use the super to call the parent function. But again, once you market it with an abstract method, you must implement it. Some guys, especially coming from C++ and Java background, think if you provided a default implementation here, you don't have to call it. But in Python, we have to be that explicit because we said it's an abstract method. If you want the default implementation to be considered, you have either do not write abstract method here or just override here and call the super of the parent class. Now let's see an example of a complete class. This guy here, the rectangle, is providing a getArea method and implementing it. Now at this moment we can create an object from rectangle and call its getArea method. So that's all about how to mark something to be abstract, and I hope at this moment that the word abstract is more visible for you. The word abstract means we care about the what, not the how. The how is hidden, we don't care, or we don't know, or we don't care, and someone here in the lower level is going to implement it for us. What if I have a property? What if I would like to have a property, but this property should be an abstract property? Then you can here write add property, but after it write the abstract method. And this order is very critical. You shouldn't swap these two together. And then in the child class, you again have to provide an implementation to the property. This way, the shape class is going to have this property here. And you are giving a message to the guys here. Hey guys, we are expecting an implementation that compute the area. We don't care how the area, it should be something relevant to your context. The same if you would like to provide a class method or a static method. You again have to write add property first, then write the static method or class method. The abstract classes, in my opinion, make the code more clear. From one side, as you see, we stopped raising exception. Previously, we were raising not implemented error to indicate that the parent class doesn't have an implementation at the moment. This is the way to go if you don't use ABC classes. However, we now don't have to write that because from the beginning, the Python will not allow someone with abstract class and abstract method to create an object. The second thing, which is more appreciated in other programming languages, is to communicate intentions. When I write this class is inheriting from ABC, I am in a very clear way telling others, hey guys, you shouldn't try to create an object from that, and you are expected to make an inheritance to provide me with what is missing. Here, this class has a method that I named intentionally abstract because it means that this method is abstract. We care about the what, we care that it exists, but we don't care how it is implemented. Someone else should implement it. That's all.